I am over 40 feet in the air, and today I'm going to show you the plans for my tree net that I'm standing on right now. First thing I'm going to do is build a spiral staircase all the way from the bottom right there to right here. And then I'm going to make some platforms above here, probably around 3. The top of those 3 platforms should be able to see the ocean. And then after that, I'm going to make a bridge to those 2 trees over there using ropes and stuff like the rest of it, obviously. And then I'm going to add multiple platform levels on there. And then eventually, I plan on making different ones in the trees over there. This tree net is completely funded by you, the viewer. The more you like the far, the more I can build.